In this video, I'm going to be talking about articles. 3 very small words. A, an, and the. My name's Charlie. Welcome to Organic English. I'm here to help you become more fluent in English. Take a look in the description below. There will be a link to a transcript which you can download, and that will help you to follow along with this lesson. There's also a link to a short quiz which you can do to practice using articles a bit more and to check your understanding. Articles are really important, but they can be a little bit challenging. If we don't use articles, or we use them incorrectly, we could make our sentences confusing, and they can also sound a little bit strange. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use articles correctly. Let me tell you a little story. Listen out for the words a, an, and the. Okay? There's a very famous story by an author called Aesop. It's about a hare who kept bragging about how fast he could run. Tired of hearing him boast, a tortoise challenged him to a race. All the animals in the forest came to watch. The race started. The hare soon left the tortoise far, far behind, and was so confident that he took a nap halfway through the race. When the hare woke up, he found that his competitor, crawling slowly but steadily, had arrived before him and had won the race. A classic story, and quite a few articles. Did you catch them? We had a hare, a tortoise, a race, a nap. Yeah, we use a before singular nouns. A hare, a tortoise, a race, a nap. Notice that in spoken English it's a, not a. A tortoise challenged him to a race. Now I also said that the story was by an author called Aesop. An author. Author begins with the letter A, so we use an. An author. We use an before words that begin with A, E, I, O, and most words that begin with U. For example, we say an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. In spoken English, an sounds like an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Now let's look at the. I said, the hare soon left the tortoise behind. It's the hare and the tortoise because it's the second time I've mentioned them. So it's a and an for the first time and the for the second time. I also said all the animals in the forest came to watch. Now that's the first time I've mentioned the animals and the forest. So why am I using the? Good question. And the answer is we use the before a person or a thing when it's pretty clear which person or which thing we're talking about, even if it's the first time. So I'm talking here about the animals that live in the same forest as the hare and the tortoise. Did you notice how I said all the animals? The? That's because animals begins with the letter A. So again, words that begin with A, E, I, O, and many words that begin with U, we say the instead of the. The apples, the elephant, the ice cream, the orange, the umbrella. Now let's hear more about tortoises. See if you can hear the articles in this sentence. Tortoises live on land, but turtles live in water. Actually, there were no articles in that sentence. It's a bit of a trick question. There are no articles before turtles and tortoises in this case because we're talking about turtles and tortoises in general. Tortoises live on land, but turtles live in water. Okay, here are some handy tips for using the. Number 1, don't use the before the names of most cities, countries, or continents. Just say Moscow, Spain, Asia. Number 2, say the with countries that are plural or have the word republic or kingdom in them. So we say the Cayman Islands, the United Kingdom. Number 3, use the with oceans and mountain ranges. The Atlantic, the Rocky Mountains. Number 4, don't use the before single mountains or lakes. So we say Mount Everest, Lake Geneva. Don't forget to go to organicenglish.club, where you'll find plenty of other material to help you become more fluent in English. Please also subscribe to my newsletter. Subscribers will get mini lessons, cheat sheets, and video updates direct to the inbox. Thank you very much for watching. Now go out and practice your English.